How to create great songs using AI. First step is copy this URL. Click copy to drive. Click connect at the top right. Once it's done, you will see this. After that, click this play button to run this file. Now be patient while the file runs. Once that is completed, you will get these two links. Just click on the second link which says public URL. And you will get this dashboard. Now to clone your voice and sing any song, follow these steps. The first step is to train your voice model. So to train your voice model, let's click train. And now give a name for your voice model without any spaces. I'm going to enter lovely-voice. Then upload your sample voice and make sure the recording is clear and should not have any background noises. Now what I'm going to do is to convert this audio into a song. And once you have done that, click process the dataset. Wait until it says end pre-process, which means you're done with this step. Once you see the end pre-process, go to step 2. Click pitch extraction. Wait to see all feature done in the status box to know it's finished. Once you see the all feature done, go to step 3. Now I want you to change 250 into 10. Then click train model. After that, click step 4. Click train index. Once done, click download model. After it has downloaded, you will see these two files here. Just click and download these two files. Just click here. So now we have trained our voice model. Once you've trained your voice model, click on Inference. Click Refresh. Now choose your model. If you click on this drop-down, you should find a voice model, which was just trained. Select that. Then here, upload any song that you want to clone with your own voice. And I'm going to use Radio. And if you listen to that song, you will notice that this song is complete with vocals and background music. However, for this process, we need to upload only the vocals so that we'll get better results. So let's go to the second step, where we'll see how to separate the vocals from the music. To do that, we're going to use a tool called Vocal Remover. So just search Vocal Remover. Then you will see this page. To start, click Upload to upload your files. After that, select the separation type. Let's select vocal and background music. And here's the result. Amazing. Now let's click Download. From here, you can choose to download background music or the vocals. For me, I'll just click All. And there we have it. Now let's go back and upload the file. After it has uploaded, click Convert, and that's it. It's actually pretty amazing. It cloned the voice and converted the song into your own voice. You can also combine these vocals with the song's music using any editing software or even a mobile app.